welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will tell you about that how will you study when you don't have book and you will go somewhere and it was a loss of your study. So first we have to go to the Play Store. I would like to tell you what is the name of this app. We have to go and now we have to write here ePathshala. Okay, in front of these we have to click here, and it was already downloaded in my phone, that why I'm not downloading. Now this is the front of this app. See, if you are student, so you can go on student, and if you are teacher, so you can go on teacher. In teacher you can download any of the subject and any of the class books. Okay, in student you only download your class book. Okay, see, ebooks, and if you are of second class, so you can download second class books. If you are of first class, you can download first class book. If you are third, fourth, which book you have to download, you can download. And but in teacher you will download anything of any book. Teacher is my favorite, so see, you can there were so many books in my phone, because I will select the teacher option and I will study all the classes. Okay, see, in first class I also study, see, English, there was also, and maths you second also. Okay, and how to download the book, this I also tell you. First we have to go there, and now you can take Hindi. You are in Hindi medium, so you can take Hindi medium. You are in English medium, you can take in English medium, and you are in Urdu medium, you can take Urdu medium books. Okay, see, now here you can, in class first there was two books, not an environment, and not an GK, and not an computer. In this app there was not an computer, not an GK, only the NCERT books was there. So let's click here, and these are the two books there, and now we have to touch it. I want to touch this, so I have downloaded 3 chapters, and now I have to download this. See, you can download from here. See, it was downloading. See, it was download. Okay, now we have to go there. Okay, so you have to see the book. There was a book, and see, it's like a same book of this. Okay, now we have to touch it, and see, the chapter will come here, and now we have to touch there. See, our chapter is come along with exercises also. Okay, see, once I saw a little word, it was unit 4 chapter, and in unit 4 there was one chapter also, Mittu and Yellow Mango, along with exercises, and you can download all the books from there. And see, I have so many books in there, so I would like to download class 7 books. See, English, you can go Hindi also. See, in Hindi all the things are in Hindi. Okay, see, when you will click on Hindi, all the things, science, math, Sanskrit, social science, Hindi, these all books are in Hindi. Okay, mathematics we have to see there. Okay, पूर्णांक, ये सब भिन्न, ये सब दशमलव, ये सब हमारे हो जाएंगे, है ना. और देखते हैं हम, अब हमें हिंदी में जानकर कुछ करना नहीं है. Now we have to come in class 7th, English, and now you have click on English. All the books are in English. Okay, see, An Alien Hand and Honeycomb, Alien Hand, the Tiny Teacher. I never download this chapter. See, my chapter is download, and now see the book. Okay, it was in the last of this chapter. See, the book will come here. was come here, and now we have to touch it and see it was come. See, all the chapters are come in this. So this was today. So this is for today. If you like my video, so please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.